Is this thing on? I figured out how to make Frisch better. Frisch is an amazing school. With so many classes, clubs, extracurricular activities, great food and more, some say it's become nearly impossible to improve it. But I don't like those some. So I decided to take on the challenge. And I figured the best place to start was the Frisch website. Okay, new location. So I've been looking at the Frisch website for maybe a bit too long. What on earth is bracketology? Since when do we have a philosophy track? $26,000. And I think I found something. It says here that apparently we have food drives. I did not know that. Did you guys know that? I've never heard or certainly never paid attention to a food drive in school. I'm like, food drives rely on people having to know about them, like to function. So I feel like we can improve that somehow. What if Frisch's food drives were some crazy event or competition that everybody knew about? How would that work? And who would get involved? To answer these questions, we're gonna need some montage music. These are the three main takeaways I got from that call. Number 1, Students Change Hunger is a multi-school charity battle where you team up with your classmates to try to help fight the evil brute known as hunger. The school with the greatest food weight donated wins. Number 2, the impact. Last year, schools donated 56,000 pounds of food, supporting 181,000 meals for our neighbors in need. These numbers are insane. And they would be even crazier if Frisch competed as well. Number 3, this can actually happen. This is the impossible innovation I was talking about at the beginning of the video. But none of this can happen without your vote, which is why I'm asking you to write down my name on your ballot come Tuesday, November 9th. I'm Drew DeLopkin. I'm running for 10th grade executive board. I probably should have said that towards the beginning of the video. But anyway, I enjoyed making this video for you guys. I hope you liked it. And I'll see you guys next one. Peace out.